Hello everyone, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a delicious low-carb keto-friendly recipe, and it's sauteed paneer with broccoli that's full of flavors, cooked with simple ingredients and ready in minutes. So let's get started with this delicious and healthy veggie recipe. And here in this bowl, I've taken some broccoli cut into medium-sized florets like this. And I've included the soft stems as well, cut into small portions like this. And I've steamed them partially for faster cooking in the pan. Next, here in this plate, I've taken some colorful veggies like onions cut into juliennes, as well as red, green and yellow bell peppers cut into strips of medium thickness. Also for this recipe, you will need lots of finely chopped garlic. Then here in this plate, I have taken 250 grams of paneer or cottage cheese cut into this shape and size. And now I'm going to prepare a spice mix to season the paneer pieces. For that, we'll take a bowl and into it goes some salt as per taste. Next goes a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of smoked paprika, and a pinch of garlic powder. Now let's mix this well. And our spice mix is ready. Now let's sprinkle the prepared spice mix over the cottage cheese or paneer pieces. I'll also add a teaspoon of olive oil so that the spices coats well with the paneer pieces. Now let's rub the seasonings on all the sides of the paneer pieces. And we will let them rest for about 10-15 minutes so that the flavors of the seasonings are well absorbed by the paneer pieces. And now let's start with the cooking process. For that, we'll heat a teaspoon of olive oil. We'll spread the oil on all the sides of the pan. And when the oil is moderately hot, we will add the paneer pieces one by one. And on medium flame, we will saute the cottage cheese or paneer until they turn light golden brown from all the sides. In between, we'll keep on flipping the paneer pieces so that they turn evenly golden brown from all the sides. And by now the paneer pieces are well browned from all the sides. So we'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. Now in the same pan, we'll add the finely chopped garlic. I have used here 4 large garlic pots. We'll stir them for a few seconds. Now let's add the onions. We'll saute them for a minute or so until the color of the onion slightly changes. And once the onions and garlic are well sauteed, we will add the steamed broccoli florets into the pan. On medium flame, we will stir the broccoli florets for a few seconds. And now we'll quickly season the veggies with half a teaspoon of chili flakes, some salt as per taste, a pinch of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of mixed herbs. Let's stir and mix these seasonings well with the veggies. And since I have added steamed broccoli florets, they are almost cooked by now. And now time to add the red, green and yellow bell peppers as well as the sauteed paneer or cottage cheese. And I've added the bell peppers at the end so as to retain their bright color and crunch. We'll now saute the veggies for just a minute or so that the flavors of the seasonings are well infused with the veggies and the paneer. And by now, our delicious and healthy sauteed paneer with broccoli is ready to be served and enjoyed hot. And here goes our low carb keto friendly sauteed broccoli with paneer or cottage cheese. So do try this healthy and delicious sauteed veggie recipe and include in your weight loss diet plan. You can also follow my other low carb and keto friendly recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and enjoy good food, good life.